Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Mic check. Okay. Did someone really like? Well, if you did, thanks for the like. Just to see if my body's actually up or down. Yep, it's working. Okay. Our plan for today is to basically try to automate this even more than what we have. The idea is to get a link and then maybe post it. This is the server I have. I see a link. I press it. Move along next. I was normally posting it from here to directly post it from the extension itself. I see amazon.in. Then we should open a link, then just post the deal. That's what I want. But I cannot, I don't think I can visit. I don't think I can visit directly. I cannot make API request. There are 3 challenges. The first one is, imagine this is the site. All requests going away from here need to be HTTPS. That's one rule. And the second rule is the website can actually have the control over what domains the URLs can be. Obviously my self-hosted server is not from Amazon, so this wouldn't work. This will definitely work, no major issues. We'll actually see. Yeah. Do I have that? In which browser do I have? I don't have it here as well. Okay. I was expecting a script. Maybe I have inside this one. Okay, no worries. I can start a script here. So this was the script. Yeah, the stream looks fine. I moved my monitor, my streaming PC monitor from here to here. I'm thinking that that's not a good idea because if it was previously here, I could have seen the entire graph of what's happening. Welcome back to the stream, maybe. Good morning. I don't think I need this one. Sure. Good morning. I say herb. So I wanted to try a different route. Doing this now. Create a new script, copy paste this one. I don't want to contribute, sorry. Okay. Was that an error or what? Okay. Hey, when was this added? This was May. Yeah, this is different. Okay. I go to a deal. Let's say I see this and this one. I should see a button somewhere here. Yep, that's working then. The moment I press this, I don't know if you guys can see. Yes. It generates me the entire script. Then I can basically copy paste it. Then like this. It's fine. So I'm not doing anything extensive from here. It's just takes this link and sends it. I copy this, paste it, and then send it. Why not just do it away directly from here? Have it inside this one. So instead of copy pasting it, how about sending this entire thing to my backend? I need HTTPS, I guess. Hey, what website is this? Okay. Give me a fetch of post request to a URL with this body. I would modify this myself, but before that, I would like to just see how I'm sending this data. Kind of forgot. Okay, post deals. I'm basically making this type of a request. Okay, so we can copy this and paste it here. Those deals, these are not really needed. Keep all the types. This is JavaScript. This will not be useful. Okay, what it basically takes is the API token, deals, toTally, and toTally should always be true, I guess. So hashtags, I don't know, no idea. Then automation ID. What is automation ID? Am I supposed to trigger it myself? So who defines automation ID? Okay, right here. It is v4. So the moment I press that button, yeah, this is where the thing needs to be. How can I define a global? Oh, probably I can do this. While I'm here, I'll just define it. Set automation ID to 0. Okay. Can't I generate it right here instead of doing it from there? Yeah, I think that's a better option. I will see how can I populate this one myself. JSON automation ID. I don't have this ID. Am I audible? I think I am. Should I increase the audio, or should I move it a little bit closer to me? That's fine. Okay. Is there any way I can strip types? Okay, I don't find. Don't log in, please. Yeah, basically that's what I want. I don't want to do much more work than this. Go to play.com. Compile a single file from terminal. Well, that makes sense. Okay, I can write this. Can you make this TypeScript? We'll see. Here is a converted version of in the TypeScript. I have added the type annotations for better. Oh, okay. I'm just used to TypeScript. In the meantime, let me go turn on my fan. Getting hot. I got a cheap smart plug a few weeks ago. I was thinking to use that one. Turned on. I think this is way too lean. This is much better. Okay, yeah, much better. So towards my understanding, this is what it gave me. So let's fix it. So let's keep it as it is, like before. and we use this to create one. Don't save. Where is it? Public? No. Hey, what is this one? There should not be this one here. There should be public. Yeah, inside. I think it's better to do it here. Okay. Script to full data.ts. Okay, makes sense. I see certain errors already. Okay, endpoints are not defined. I think we can get it from here. Where is the damn endpoint? Endpoint right here. API URL, this is the one. I know it's too much of a code, but trust me, that's good. Const automation ID equals to crypto random yeah, it's fine, whatever it is. And then what? Load HTML to canvas. I don't think we need that much of an issue. I mean, this shit is working before, so I would keep it as it is. @ts ignore. And what else? There is an error somewhere. Yeah. What does it say? Cannot find HTML because it's loaded directly into the browser over there. So we don't really need it to define it again. So I will just use a signal. So far so good. And this is how I generated TSC script to full data.ts. Just to make sure. Script main. Let's call it as main. What? Why wouldn't it show me the errors before? Cannot find the name iterable. Iterable. I didn't say any errors here. React node. Dude, just do this file. Don't do etc. Yeah. TSC script main dot ts. Did it do or did it not do? I think an async function or a method in ES5 requires a promise constructor. Make sure you have a declaration for the promise. I understand. Promise. Cannot find iterable React tx. These are all different errors. These are all completely different errors. What are the errors? Errors in 1, 2, 3, 6 errors in this file. Probably the if this works, and I'm fine. This thing works, I am totally fine. I go here. Totally forgot to trigger this function. So post deals. Where did I post it? Okay, right here. And then what? I don't know. Okay, let's run it one more time. It should be working fine. And now we go paste it somewhere. Where is the Excalibur? Right here. Completion successful. I refresh. I don't know which one is it. Block script execution ding, 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 because the document iframe is sandboxed and allow script permission is not set. I think I know how to do this. Okay. So I think I should not be worrying about it then. Okay, cool. Imagine this, I will press this button. Clipboard. Why would it be copied to clipboard? Hmm. Did it go through or did it not? Okay. That means it's sent, isn't it? I wish I can see the... Okay. No, 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 no. Is there any way I can see the logs? Something like that? Maybe I can see it from here. Okay, my server is down. It's the server entirely is down. I don't know why it takes it as if... Oh, yep. My laptop is dead. It's unfortunate. Let me try spinning up a server myself in this PC for some time in the meantime. But where should I spin it? Okay, I would spin it right here. So in the Amazon Auto, we have the Go server. Let's have no clue how to spin this actually. So I know that there should be a main, allow it, and then hello. I need to host this Python code as well. So Flask run or something like that. Flask run. I do not know if Flask and other things are installed properly. We'll see. No. Did I have an env? I think I have an env. So let's what is it called? venv scripts activate dot bat. Yep. Flask run. What's wrong? That's not possible. Is it saying Python is not there or what? That's Python. Unable to create a process using ding ding ding. I really want to not use this. I don't want to use this anymore. How about having all these Python instances inside Golang itself so that I don't need to run another completely different server. So let's see what I can do. So inside here we have main.go and there we see API routes. Come on dude, what's wrong? Why is it not letting me press it? So we have deals. So what exactly happens here is when I post a deal, there should be somewhere here. Get, this is get. Where is the deal? Maybe is that inside here? Post deal to Telegram? No. Auto delete? No. Not really. I'm sure it should be somewhere here. Okay, deals, yeah. Post deals, yes. Basic auth post deal. This is the function. Oh, I had it minimized. My bad. Are you guys? Is anyone watching or what? I don't see any kind of activity. I'm just curious if my stream is up or not. So let me just see it myself. Like. For some reason, I'm. This is bad. 1 second, guys. If I'm listening to this, then outsource A2 to this IP, yes. Then why am I not able to listen to it? Incoming, yes. And it should be posted inside here. Cool. Okay, this thing is minimized. Everything's done so far. Do I have muted my Elgato system? I'm guessing that's the culprit. It's been happening a lot, yes. I don't know why it turns itself to mute. Post deal, okay, post deal to Telegram. This is what it does basically. It's going to make a request of fetch price. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't actually need it. So parse fetch price. I don't need it. Send request. Okay. This can go away. Where did I define all those? Did I define all those? No. So it can go away. And client is this one. HTTP error is this one. So far so good. I only see an error here is IO that has been removed. So I need a different architecture now. I don't want to use Python's Flask, but I still have to install MoviePy and stuff like those. How can I do it? So hey, close this. The problem here is MoviePy and stuff like those are works practically fine. MoviePy in JavaScript. There is a reason why I might go with here. I am currently using MoviePy. Works fine, but I want to get away from it. Any other options? I do not want to mess with Python stuff. Can I do the same with JavaScript? There is a reason for it, yes. But if you want to move away from Python, there are JavaScript based alternatives that can handle similar tasks like cutting, merging, adding audio and subtitles. I'm not doing in browser, honestly. Let's. Adam, hey, long time bro. Hey, everything's fine. Everything's fine. I was last week, I guess. Last week I was at a vacation and I came back. I saw my channel exactly going down, yeah, in the statistics. So kind of felt bad, but I truly understand I was not consistent enough. So that is expected. Show my face. Oh, I'm not wearing my headphones, so if anyone's interested, you can type show my face or exclamation face. Or else I have to reach out to my headphones. Even that won't work. So I lost 10 subscribers and my watch time dropped to 114 from I don't know how much it was before. Yeah, basically my views, everything's dropping, which is expected. No panics. No panic. It's just I have to be consistent. And before going to the vacation as well, I was not doing well. Oh, interviews. Hope they are good. How hope they are going good. University stuff. I was thinking, yeah, I was thinking to get rid of this Python's dependency, but looks like I really need it. So my problem here is I don't want to spin up another Flask server. I just want one server which has Python's helper functions. What I'm trying to do on this project, nothing. It's basically something like this. So I had a working setup. So you see this. I go to an Amazon, I find a deal which I think it's fine. I just press this button, copy deal JSON. It would take all the information in this site, like the title, the price, the deal price, and the first image of the product. It's going to post in my Instagram. There is another Instagram account I maintain for those deals. It would post in them. Also, there is a Telegram group, so it would also post in that. So two things. And then the third thing is it generates the video because Instagram accepts reels. So in order to make all this possible, I'm using Golang and Python. So everything is working fine. It's just it's a bit too tedious. I would like to make it a little bit more automated. That's the goal of my next iteration, I guess. So I'm using make.com. Things are working. If you know my currently the server is down because I'm not hosting it. I'm trying to improve. So but it's working. It's a working project. It's just I'm trying to increase a little bit more of my productivity. What are the issues now? I feel like robotic because I'm basically doing the same thing and I feel I could be doing this a little bit more efficient. So I open on a page, I see a deal, there is an image, there is a price over here. I find it interesting, I press this button. So previously or we can say currently what it's doing is that the moment I press this button, I get all this information in a JSON which is already copied into my clipboard. I open another site, or basically this site will be open all the time, which basically I need to paste it and it would create a deal for me. And then I pick another deal, let's say like 4 to 5. Once I have all those, I would have something like this. This is where I press the main button inside a web page. This is my web page, Amazon Auto. So this is how it looks. You see here, I have to just press Control V and it would just fill up all the information. I think I can try. I can show it to you, but I need to revert all the changes. I'm just working on it. So when I imagine this, the moment I press this, all the information will be given to me in a JSON, including the image. I'm converting it to the binary stuff like those. The moment I paste it, it's going to populate the product image, the price, the link, and the affiliate link, and the title. I'm populating like 5 deals. I'm giving some manual hashtags if needed, and I press start automation. What it does is the next step where it takes these deals, converts into videos, images, and then posts it in the Instagram and Telegram. Also, a web page. That's it. I was thinking, isn't this process too tedious? Basically, I press copy button and then paste it here and then press this button. Why not? I stay in the same page, I press this button, and that's it. The flow should start away. It saves me time. The process doesn't feel that tedious now. So that's what I'm trying to do. Hope you're still here. I don't know if you're watching or not. So the challenges now is, yeah, that's making sense. The challenge is now is this is an Amazon site. That means I have to follow some browser security things. I cannot trigger HTTP calls. I can only trigger HTTPS. But the liberty I have is I have this extension in my browser, so I have a lot more control. The moment I press this button, the same JSON will be directly sent as a post message to the backend server, skipping this entire process. Cool. So the problem now I have is I'm unable to show you what I'm trying to do because of my laptop is currently dead. Probably an internet loss at my home. So I'm trying to spin up a local server here. This is the one. I do not know the URL. What is the port ID for it? It should be something. Don't need DSA for that. Man, it's been it. I don't know. I'm not getting enough interest for DSA. I sit idle and I'm thinking about all these ideas, but for some reason I cannot think. Okay, let's do some merge. let's do some other complicated algorithms. This is not too scientific or something. It's just a simple thing. Now the one more, fair enough, I guess. Yeah. The problem I have is I don't want to have that much dependency on Python. So we can see this is the Golang, which basically acts as a controller. And I'm using Python's MoviePy package, stuff like those, to convert into image and the Instagram video. It works fine, no issues, but it's really a lot painful to maintain the virtual environments and the versions. Not really a big fan of. In JavaScript, it's easy because you have node modules, everything is in the stupid directory, and because of the package.json, it's easy. But here it's impossible. If you're daily working on it, it feels fine. But if you take a gap for like few months and then you come back again, you're like, what was I doing? So now it says that I don't have Flask. Fatal error in launcher, unable to create process, ting ting ting. The system cannot find the file specified. I do have Python. I do not know how to install this now. Pip install Flask. No. Any Python gurus in the chat? The system cannot find the specified file. Cannot find the file specified. What does that mean? What does that even mean? No idea. All right, dude. What? Delete the broken VENV folder. Recreate. Probably I moved it from one path to another path. Does it cause any issue? Can't imagine how people would be coding without ChatGPT a few years back. Lol. Hey, I coded without ChatGPT before. It's easy to search in this way. So imagine this. I can just basically copy paste this same entire error. Let's say fatal error in the launcher, unable to process using. I would do this. I would just do this, and it would see, okay, this is also AI. Let's go to here, Stack Overflow, and I scroll here. The issue: downloading Python 3 at the official package, copy pasting the standalone. Ding 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 ding. I'm basically using this as a better search engine to just tell me, okay, this might be the problem, then delete it. Again, it's just a tool. And imagine this, few years back, there was no internet. People used to go to the libraries, take C or punch card, what are those called? Authors' books, and then go to back home, study them. Difficult times. So I still remember back when I was a kid. So I was at hostel or remote schools where we are not really allowed to go home that often. So I have like 2 to 3 months of focused schooling where I stay away from my home, and then I get to have like 2 weeks of holidays to go back home, spend some time, and then come back. So what I would do in this time without internet, there was no internet back probably 2010 or 2015. I don't know, yeah, 2013 or something like that. So back when I was in school, we had a computer lab without internet again, just computers. Of course, we used to play with paint and stuff, but I wanted to learn how to install operating system. So I took notes of my professor's how to install operating system book. I draw rough images, then went back home. In those 2 weeks, I got a pen drive myself, and then came back to school, downloaded the ISO into the pen drive, then I had clear instructions what to do, then went back home again after other holidays, tried to install it, failed it, came back, asked my professor, hey, what did I do wrong? And each time I get an error, I had to draw a rough image of what the error looks, what was it saying, is it red or blue? And my professor wouldn't understand, okay, if it's a blue error, then this might be the problem. And then I went back home again. I finally installed Windows Vista. I had an XP. Basically, I had an XP PC. That was my first PC, not a gaming PC, it's like a basic computer. I used to play a ton of Vice City, if you know that game, and the old Delta Force. I don't know if it still has it. It was a lovely game. Yep, this one, 1998. No, I was back in India. Yeah, so I still remember the logo. Wonderful game. I used to play this game a lot. This is actually my first FPS based game, Delta Force. Not the new one, this one. So yeah, let's get back to the story. That's how I learned. I used to have a lot of patience back then. And then in 2016 or 20, I got like first broadband internet at home. Shit, expensive back in the day. But it was too slow. Probably 1 megabytes, 1 Mbps, small B, for like 700 rupees back then. And I was happy with it. I was exploring all the internet, like how to do these things, how to do that thing. And I broke my PC multiple times, but because of all this knowledge, I was able to install Windows 8.1. I didn't install Windows 8, Windows 8.1. But it was again too expensive for us. So my father disconnected it, and I was also in the hostels, far from home anyways. When I'm not in home, no one would be using it, so I stopped it. There used to be a place called Internet Caves. I don't know if you're aware of it. It's a place where, gaming cave, or a bunch of computers in one room where you pay 20 rupees or some certain amount, and they let you play with those machines. So in that Internet Cave, I used to surf the net. There was no YouTube. I was not aware of YouTube back in the day. It's again 2015 time. Yeah, gaming caves. So I was surfing the net of how to install Windows 8.1. With this experience, I get to know that, okay, I need an ISO and stuff like that, but I wanted to upgrade. I don't want to freshly install it. And I failed it. And the next Of course, I had to install it again manually, 8.1, that worked fine. And the next crazy thing what I did was, there was an old Android phone and there was Windows. So I don't know if Windows Mobile OS, where is it called? Windows 8. So Windows Phone, I guess this is the operating system. Yeah, you see this? What happened? Hey, Veera Dinesh, thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub. So I wanted to install this Windows 8 in my phone. My dad has this Micromax bootable phone where you can install any operating system. I wanted to install this operating system. I will just zoom it in. So this is Windows 8 mobile version. I used to love this phone. I never owned it, but I love the idea of this one. So I wish it was an Android so that it lasts much, but it was not. So I wanted to install this one, but I accidentally installed the Windows 8 OS, the PC version OS into my phone, and that bricked it. It only worked for like 1 day or 2 days. After that, the moment I shut it down, it was not booting up. So yeah, I broke that other phone, but I learned that okay, one operating system on one machine is different in the other machine. And all this time I wasn't really aware of Linux. I was just exploring things. Again, no internet. I was not able to search internet. Hey, what was the problem? No, I had to go to the Netcafe again, pay 20 rupees for 1 hour, just explore what did I do wrong, using my memory that okay, I seen this error, and take notes of it, and then go back home. It was fun times. Then I, 2016 came along, because of Geo, a telecom service. We got an internet boom in India where internet is easily accessible, and we got evolved. Yeah, that's my journey. And I'll probably accept that I was one of those person who copy pasted the shortcut of Y City icon. There was a friend of mine who had a cool dad where his father lets you play games, and I went into their house with the same pen drive. I plugged it in, copied the shortcut, and came back home. Again, shotguns would work that way. I need to install copy the entire game. I learned it hard ways. Even without internet, I was unable to understand why was it not working. Why was it not working? Then eventually we went to his dad, like, uncle, do you know what did I do wrong? Why was it not working? He was like, can you show me the pen drive? And I showed it. He was like, where is the game? He's like, that's the game. That's not the game, that's a shortcut. You need to copy entire this, what is it called, the folder. And my pen drive was 1 GB. The game was, I guess, 2 GB. I didn't know the concept of these back in this day. Of course, I know the concept of that after I get used to this operating systems installation. But back in 2017, or not 2007 or 2008, 2009, I didn't know about okay, we need different pen drives. Okay, so he gave me an idea to copy the game in 50%, like 50-50. First half, go home and then come back. I did it with a lot of patience. It's not like next neighborhood. I need to travel for like 2 to 3 hours. So I had to take my mom's permission, my dad's permission, and then come back, and finally worked out. I played the game. I maintained that copy because it couldn't be saved inside a pen drive. So I had to make sure that my PC stays alive and I should not be able to delete it. Stealing a bit at a yep. It was a good stories. It was good stories. And I played a ton of YCT and the Delta Force. Then comes, I was only playing those games. I wasn't really playing multiplayer because of that story. And in 2016, I met a roommate who was playing GTA 5. I wasn't really aware of that GTA 5 concept. I thought GTA San Andreas was the last game. He was playing it, and I was like, that's a cool game. He got me this. He showed me the hard drive of 1 TB. I think he had like 1 TB hard drive. I was like, That's cool. That's cool. And then one of my other friend introduced me to Far Cry 2. This was my first multiplayer game. I played for almost 1,000+ hours. It was a wonderful game. I had, and then we moved to Battlefield 3. That's where I am right now. I constantly play Battlefield 3, Battlefield 4, Battlefield 1, 5, 2042. Hey, thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. And now I'm planning to buy Battlefield 6. So that's how my journey started. Enough talking. Let's move to a bit programming. I don't want other viewers to get bored. Okay, so I have my doubt. Maybe I have moved this environment file. Did I delete it? I think it's gone. Okay, so let's install a new one. Keep it somewhere here. Somewhere here. I don't need this. Close. Okay. Where is the folder? Okay, right here, and we open a terminal. Good luck with your studies. Oof. I speak for everyone when I say we need DSA streams back. After this, I think I will be able to do this. I don't really have any other projects to work on, so for sure. Why do you guys enjoy DSA? What makes you? Oh, this is fun. Why? Python. Wait, what was the command? venv, something like that. I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. I see the folder. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I was only going to focus on smallish problems. I'm not going to challenge the big ones. The project is very hard to follow as a viewer. I understand. And along with DSAs, I wanted to make some opinionated videos. Not about politics and other stuff. It's just opinions. Let's say Pixel 10 event. Are you aware of it? I absolutely hated it. So sharing opinions, sharing my rant and some other stuff. I was interested to do all those, but I was thinking, do I need to step into that direction? Okay, virtual machine is up. So I think it's venv. Oh, you are aware of it? Dude, why would they spend that much money on... I think this is what they want. They are not really advertising the product for us or someone who is tech savvy, or they know Pixel, or they're interested in the Pixel, or they know about CPUs and processors and stuff, because they know that somehow we would get that information that a Pixel is launching. They wanted to target a specific audience who are unaware of Pixel, who has no idea that there is another phone other than iPhone. So that's the reason they hired all these what was it, Jimmy Carter or something, those and the other celebrities, because Jimmy viewers who are not that tech savvy, they can get to know that, okay, there is a phone, Pixel, there is this much hype, so they will at least take a look on that. So imagine like 1,000 people watching that event because of these celebrities, and out of 1,000, maybe 100 are interested to buy, or maybe 10 people actually buy the phone. When I say buying the phone, it's just switching the line, because in US no one really buys a phone. They just change the provider and they would get free phone. Activate. Yeah, it's working. Pip install. What does it require? See? Oh. Okay. Working, I guess. Let's see. Thanks for joining, Adam. I will get back to DSA. Oh, it's 216 megabytes. Oh, Torch takes some space, definitely. Hey, what else is happening? Anyone other than Adam interested to have a conversation? That's 29 megabytes. Who hosts this Torch package? Is it Python or someone else? Installing packages completed. I don't. Yeah, Flask is also installed, I guess. Let us see. How much more time does it take? Might be taking some time. Okay. Does it does it get stuck? I don't see any issues. It's still running. It's still running, so I can wait for some time, I guess. Okay, I didn't expect this to take this long. It says installation completed with this packages. Can I stop it or? Okay, it's still running. I understand that it's being installed in a hard drive. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, I might if I install pip install in evnv, does it in a Python file located in a HDD in other drive? Does it affect storage in Windows C drive, which is in other physical drive? Does pip install affect? Short answer: no, it does not affect or install packages globally in C as long as you are in the virtual environment correctly. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Then why does it take this much storage? I'm running out of storage for my local C. Maybe I need to. If I can switch from my streaming PC, which has like a 500. I was thinking to merge this, but that's not possible. Why do you close it? Is it done, officer? Hello. Hey, that's done. Okay. Now what? Flask run py. Is this how we run it? No. It should work now. Is it running or is it waiting for something? Yes, it's running. Okay. So how can I not use all these? Cloudflare. Putting up my dashboard. Verifying. Do it, please. Yeah, I'm a human, dude. Okay, DNS. No. Network? No. There should be a thing called zero trust or something. Zero trust, yes. And my team, my networks, tunnels, and we go to gaming PC. So temporarily, I don't know. I don't want all these, so I can just. Oh, but I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't know which port I have previously. So Asus laptop, no. It's down. Probably this is the one. Yeah, okay. It's 3000. Oh, very cool. So post pull events reset delete del. Okay. I might need to change the URL so that it gets the information to my server. I know, just the thing. NG-rock HTTP 3000. Okay, and this is the URL I would need. I open this. Yeah, visit the site. Hey, it's working. Okay, so I would use this one just for now. And let's do a TSC main, and we can taking some time. I think that's done. Copy all this, paste it inside my JSON. This is not the one. Oh, that's the one. Okay, and we go amazon.in. I open this one. Utilities, no. Dashboard, yeah. And I don't know which one is it. Let's delete one of this and open this one. Paste. I think that's saved. Amazon.in. I have to select a D. Let's go with shoes, looking good. Good. The moment I press this, I failed to send it this. Okay, what's wrong? Did I get anything? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's because the media file does not exist. I think it's just better to save the generated image inside a bytes. I would need those images. Okay, let's think about it later. So load html2.canvas image URL. That's fine. But what is the thing which got it failed? Why did it fail, please? There is Absolutely no more error than this. Okay. So I have no clue why would that fail. Post deal. Okay, we go here. We pass the token. Where's the token? Post deal. Yeah, that's the token. True. But did it post anything inside here? No. Is my Golang server up? Go on. I can run a local kind of server instead of running the global version. Terminal go run main.go. Might take some time. I'm not sure if it's running or not. I see some changes. I I think that's running. So, oh, it's running now. Did it turn on now or is it? Okay, that looks like it's turning. It's working now. Press this button. What happened? There's nothing. It didn't reach till here. I forgot your name. It starts with Trinity, something like that. At Trinity. Sorry, I have to forgot your nickname. Welcome to the stream. Altri, yeah, Altri, dude. There is no way I'm going to remember it. Out of all possible words, you come up with that one. Curious why there is no absolute no error. It's fine. Anyways, how is your life? What are you doing? I don't see any kind of an element here. Failed to fetch, yes, but what is the error? Oh yeah, right here. Error not what? It says not defined, not resolved. Why? That's sad, isn't it? So we have user, that's the front end. I don't need it anymore. This is this one. And this is Amazon Auto Deals, and this is Go Server. I don't think I need that one as well. Okay. So Amazon Deals, we go to the main function. What do I have here? I think this is needed. What's up, Altri? How's your life? Lost 700 rupees. Why? How? Did someone steal your wallet, or did you just... Thanks for the like. Thanks. Oh, this won't work because I'm using a different... I was thinking maybe I can use one of the add thing. What is the add thing? I was thinking, does these things work? So that I can have my earphone in this way, and but I don't know how to reset these. Any brilliant ideas, people? There is absolutely no button. Let's see. Okay. Thanks for the like. 5 likes. Thank you so much. Bluetooth audio receiver, not that one, stupid. Bluetooth's other device and settings. Add a new device, and I don't even know the name of this device. I'm still thinking. This seems promising. It should work, but I do not know how to reset this. This was one of my friends, and as you can see, one earbud is lost. was thinking, how can I use it? AirDobes one. I think this is the one. AirDobes 141 connecting. Okay. Let's see. Hello. Okay, I can send it to 3 devices. The third one would be this one. Hello. Hello. Hi, this is working. So how can I change the microset to this one? This is the problem. The microphone won't work in this Bluetooth kind of a setting. I have no clue why this would not work. It says it's connected uh, via microphone as well. Oh, there you go. Hello. Oh, I know how to change this setting, sound settings. No, not this one. This one, I guess, not this one. There should be another way. Input devices. Let's try this. Hello. No. Sound. We can go to mixer. This should be the old one. There should be the more sound settings. And here recording, we should see this. Then why is it not working? Hello, 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 hello. Should work, isn't it? Windows earbuds microphone. How to set up and use headsets in. Okay, okay, I have done it. Jiki, what's that thing? You can use the speak command. But before that, let's see if the core audio is working or not. Yes, maybe that solves some of the issues I have. Streams. I'm just watching my own stream. Playback is not possible. Stupid. Okay. VLC is also struggling to stream it. So, hey, VLC kind of worked. Okay. I closed it too early. Yeah, VLC for the end of the day. Okay, this is painful. Let's try to open some other video. Do I have any other video? Nope. What is happening? I was expecting to have at least. Or else let's. Where is my own stream? Okay. Hello, hello, hello. I'm not able to listen to anything. My hello, my stream should have some sound, right? Or am I completely low? Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? I don't get any kind of response in this way. Hello. Is it possible because of this stupidity? Yes. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, oh. Well, I run out of patience. Is there any other audio I have? A Far Cry 2 theme. No sounds. Okay, I'm able to hear it. Looks like the microphone is not working. I like this song. It's a good song. Hello, hello. Beautiful. Hey, why would I want to sign in, man? Stupid. Okay, that means the output is definitely working. It's the input is not working. So let's see. Input device. I don't know what's wrong with these input devices. This is the ultimate settings I see here. Hello, 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 hello. No luck, no luck. I do not want to wear headphones myself. Or maybe it's right. Yes, maybe it's time to use audio relay. No, I'll just use my phone. I hate ad. Were you getting an ad or what? So this was a song I was listening to. Some messages are not popping up. Oh. Let's see how is this working. No. The messages are not popping up. I have no clue. So you can see this is what I have. If I don't see your message here, that means it's not. It didn't went through YouTube filtering or something. What kind of messages were you trying to? Yes. Yes. So input device. Let's see what is the input device we have here. Can I set an input device here? No. Oh yeah, we need to change it. Okay. Is this censorship? I don't have any control over that. I have disabled all my censorship like links and stuff. But YouTube has its own proprietary settings. I can't do much about it. Where is the input for audio relay? Virtual mic? Yes. Hello. Hey, kind of working fine. Hello, hello, hello. I cannot keep it this close. Meow. Meow. Check. It's way too far away from me. Maybe I need to use the other microphone. But it's fine for now. See. The thing caused people to lost their money. Why? I don't understand where you're coming from. What is the story behind your thing? Just let me know. Oh, this is a problem I had previously. So I need to allow. think cost people, but tell me your story. What happened? Why do you think that way? Is it working or not? Completed in 11 milliseconds. It was introduced by our relative. Okay, it's going a bit interesting now. Tell me. Okay, the server is up. Final test. Never trust relatives. Well, you learn something. Fail, not work. It didn't. It's not reaching my server itself. Yeah, not resolved. What does that mean? HTTPS. Ding ding ding. NGRock space deals. This showed that we have to watch 5 ads to earn 70 each day. Okay. There are other ways to earn, honestly, I think so. But it's fine. You didn't lose your life. Those things are basically scams. So don't fall for those. Hey, why wasn't let's try Postman would not work because we are doing it in, yeah, that won't work. Okay, I need to trigger myself something. Okay, let's see. We have 20 more minutes, so I would do something like this. Go to front end, npm run dev or v dev. I forgot the command. Dev, yeah, it's basically vt. Okay, and inside here we run this and waiting for it to. Okay. That's a dev instance code. They showed that we have to INR. Okay, the entry fees was 1,000. Oh, dude. Altry. There are tons of videos on YouTube. The movement which basically tries their best to bring you awareness of these kinds of scams, but it's okay. You didn't lose much. Take a deep breath. It's fine. They're not popular enough to believe. But it's clearly evident. Why would they want 1,000 rupees from you? If they have the energy to pay that much, 70 per ad, they would not ask money from you. So let's install the oh no. Where was the script? This is not what I want. Seems fine. Okay, let it load. Copy JSON deal. I'm not sure if I pressed it. I think I did. Press it one more time. It's not working, so let's move away from something else. So let's say this one, OnePlus. No, I don't think we have deals on this one. Hey, 6%. Interesting. Failed to send JSON of. Did I mess this up as well? So where is this one? Constant.js frontend. Let's take which one has the original. Yep, this one. Okay, JSON has been copied. We localhost. I don't remember. This proves if the site is working or not. Thanks for the like. Events reset. So that means successfully triggered automation. This is working. I don't see no issues till now. Okay. Okay, if this is working in here, then definitely that should work outside of it. I just need to get it and then pass it to the front end. That's all I need to do. Where is the other one? Public.main.js. So in here, this is what we do. Post.js. I need that stupid function. Hey. Remove the types and give me normal or vanilla JavaScript. Where is this defined? This is a JSON, this is false, and this is empty. This is basically what I wanted. Success if enjoy your poop. The reliable people who warn us, the YouTubers, you can react again. I lag a bit. I didn't really do much. I just said, I understand your age. When I was also similar to your age, I was thinking to earn some money by using like copywriting or stuff like those, but I faced a lot of scams myself. I couldn't find the original genuine ish jobs. I couldn't find one. Endpoint is not defined. That's not true. What do you mean endpoint is not defined? Oh yeah, okay. I understand. API constants. So that one. Take all these and press post. Oh, don't change that one. Okay. I accept all those errors. Uh-huh. Why does it say saved posted success? Did I get any output? I don't get any output. That's fine. Right. I think I had enough stream for today. I'll continue tomorrow. I need to basically fix this thing. Peace. See you again, all three. Hi. I'm sorry for your 700 loss. Accept that your life is much more worth than 700. Take it as a lesson. Move forward. Move on. Peace.